So today I have two smart locks for your front door, actually any door. These are different than some of the other smart locks because they're not deadbolt. These are actually built into the handles. And I have two that are really, really cool and innovative and also at really, really good price points.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you like that kind of stuff, gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger to the channel. Also, hit that like button if you can. That helps out a lot. Now, Ironzon did send these to me and they're sponsoring this video so that I could test them out and see how they work and share the features with you guys and let you know if I think it's worth it or not. And just like a spoiler, the fact that they're as sleek as they are and they work as well as they do and the price point that they're at, I think they're well worth it. And I'll put links to all of that so you can check it out down in the description. All right, so starting with the Ironzon 490T, which has multiple ways to unlock, including fingerprint, app control, password, and key fob. And in the box, you get everything you need to set this thing up, including the step-by-step instructions and mounting guides. You get the front part of the lock, the rear part of the lock, and all of the screws and door essentials, plus hard copy keys and key fobs. So installing it is actually quite simple. You just take your existing doorknob off and you're just gonna pop this on. You pop the front end first, pop the back plate on, then you're gonna plug it into the other side, then you're gonna screw it onto that plate. So you're not gonna make any additional holes into your door, which is really nice. And it doesn't matter if your door opens out or in, you can change the way that that door handle actually sits in case your door faces a different direction. After that, you just add the batteries. It takes 4 AA batteries and they just go in right here, easy to change. And it will let you know when it's getting low. It'll kind of like give you a voice prompt or you can see it on the app. And if for some reason it does get too low and it goes out, there is a USB-C port on the door handle on the outside. You can plug a power bank into it. And so if you didn't have like the actual key to it, you could still use your fingerprint scanner or your passcode. So you'll connect it to their app. This is the TT Lock app and it's very easy to set up. It connects right away via Bluetooth and then you can go through and set up your passcode. You can set up the key fobs and you can add your own fingerprints. Now you can add multiple fingerprints, you can add different people or different groups in there, and I love that because if you have a house full of people, each one can have their own passcode and fingerprint scan, and that actually allows you to see a log of it so you know what time people are coming in and leaving. But also you can create temporary ones, one-time use ones if you have Airbnb guests or if you're out of town and you want your neighbors to, check your mail and put it inside, you can give them a temporary code or you can even unlock it remotely. So that's the main thing, is a lot of options to unlock it. And it works. I've seen in the past people complain about fingerprint scanners, but this one works really well. So every time I've tried it, I've always been successful. And even the passcode on this one, it's really easy to set up and also just like put the numbers in. So I just love that there's so many ways to use this. It's very secure and it looks really sleek. Like on this door right here, look at how nice that looks. That's a very easy step to making your door look a lot more high class than what it was. Not to mention high tech. All right, so the next one we're gonna look at is this one right here, the 191Y Smart Door Lock. Look at this thing. This thing is really cool. And same concept as the other one. You have a fingerprint scanner. You also have passcode here on this. It's actually really sleek looking on the handle itself. It's very simple. Just take your doorknob off and put this thing on. And I've actually reviewed and tested a bunch of different door locks here, and I will say that this was the easiest. Usually on the other ones, there's a misstep and I have to take it off and redo it. This one, it was just very simple, straightforward. You have to put 4 AAA batteries in this thing, which is not included, and those batteries will last you a long time. But maybe you're gone for a while and those batteries die. There's actually a USB-C port on the front handle that you can plug a power bank to, and you can give it that little bit of charge to open it up. Plus you have the physical keys that you can use to unlock it. And setting up the passcode through the app, again, very easy. I love that you can use temporary ones or one-time access, so you set up that code for someone that's coming over, or like a timed access, and then you can also see who's been using that passcode and when and what time. There is a little button on the back that you can press to lock, but you can also press it to unlock it for like an indefinite amount of time. Let's say you have a party and you have a bunch of people coming over, you don't have to keep unlocking the door for everyone. You can just have it set to unlock until you lock it again. Or through the app, you can set it to auto lock after a certain amount of time. There's just a lot of ways that you can use this, but to me, it just looks really sleek. It's very easy to install. So that's both of these smart locks from Ironzon. I just wanted to share this off with you because at this current price point, and how good they look and how useful they are, that might be something you'll be really interested in, especially if you've never had a smart lock before at your house. So go check it out. Also, if you want to see some other cool gear that I've looked at on this channel, I have some videos on the screen right now. Click one of those and I'll see you there. Thanks again for watching.